follow the entry and follow the profile and follow the angle how much we put in, and it's the cut, like ram it down until it get the depth, and it's the cut and locks it for hold the area. So this is for the option profile. We can do another option of the OptiRough with another option. I hide this toolpath and hide it too. Oh, we don't know which one is for up. We just hide it up and we adjust another option and see how. Entry motion, we use the manual and we keep plug angle E1. Regenerate it. No operation will select. Oh, it's regenerating right now. And view multi-threading. It's generating done, and we see how it's verified. Keep slow, run it, and it like ram it, engage the material, and it run 3 axis like helix down and until I push slow. Easy. Oh, it look like it run hold the different. Oh, it run hold the program. We don't need to. We only need to run this one to see how. Run slow. It ram it down a little bit, and we see the right now it's 30,000 for Z negative, and it run big XY, and it run so fast at over here with the one angle until this side, and zoom up. It run one angle, ram it down up to all the side, and it get 336 negative, and it run a little bigger at the X and Y over here, and it will be run back this side for get more deeper. Yeah, that a manual option is run, and right now it get the 500 for the depth already, and just run the X and Y and locks this and back and forth. That's how it run manual option. This option I think is applied for the pocket with long side and small width compared with the cutter. So an easy use the long side for ram it down to get the depth of cut and easy enlarge it. So this is the option for the manual entry manual entry manual entry manual. Cut a long side. We still have another one, but this one we cannot use this way. In this case we cannot use the plug only. This should be get the open area inside the pocket, like the hole or the small pocket or custom use entry chain, and we make another contour inside, and we use that one for entry motion to get in the depth.